Last winter, I bought a cheap freestanding tub that cracked under my weight and leaked gallons of water all over my newly tiled bathroom floor. Choosing the right freestanding bathtub is a minefield of confusing acrylic grades, awkward plumbing alignments, and misleading sizing specs. Today, I'm cutting through the marketing noise to test and rank the 6 best freestanding bathtubs on the market. Stay tuned until number 1, because its commercial-grade insulation and ergonomic perfection completely redefine luxury home soaking. 6. Mokleba 67-inch Lucite acrylic freestanding bathtub. Fabricated meticulously from 100% glossy white Lucite acrylic and structurally reinforced with multiple dense layers of fiberglass, it promises an upscale architectural aesthetic capable of instantly modernizing a tired bathroom space without demanding a complete, disruptive overhaul of your underlying subfloor plumbing network. Its striking European-inspired curves mimic high-end spa fixtures, giving budget-conscious renovators a taste of sophisticated luxury right out of the box. During my intensive testing and evaluation phase, the generous 67-inch overall length provided ample, comfortable breathing room to stretch out your legs fully, while the 15.35-inch water-soaking depth allowed the bathwater to rise high enough to cover my chest without strain. The thoughtful dual-sloped backrest design means you can position yourself fluidly at either end of the tub, making it wonderfully flexible depending on where your bathroom windows, vanity, or wall-mounted fixtures are situated. When filled to maximum capacity, the acrylic shell held water temperature reasonably well during a standard 36-minute relaxation session, preventing rapid thermal cooling and maintaining a cozy environment. However, living with this tub during daily hands-on evaluation revealed a few notable downbacks and operational hurdles that naturally pulled it down to the lower tier of our list today. The high-gloss exterior and interior surface proved to be surprisingly sensitive to minor scuffs and daily abrasions, picking up fine micro-scratches quite easily if wiped down with anything other than an ultra-soft microfiber cloth during routine cleaning routines. Furthermore, the hidden leveling feet underneath can be frustratingly finicky and stubborn to adjust correctly on uneven tile floors, and the tight, enclosed clearance space beneath the tub body makes final plumbing and drain hookups a cramped, exhausting challenge for any professional installer or DIYer. 5. Hydro Systems Studio Breanne 36 inches by 66 inches freestanding soaking bathtub. Featuring a breathtakingly gorgeous rolled rim and an innovative, integrated built-in faucet deck that cleverly eliminates the absolute necessity for separate, expensive floor-mounted hardware fixtures, this model is custom-built to serve as a stunning architectural centerpiece in expansive, high-end master suites where traditional aesthetic elegance meets everyday modern convenience. From a moment it is unpacked on site, it exudes an aura of heavy-duty prestige and timeless sophistication that sets it apart visually from standard cookie-cutter acrylic models. When I put the Breanne through its paces in our rigorous hands-on evaluation studio, the optimized 29-degree back slope offered exceptional, posture-correcting lumbar support, cradling my spine naturally and making it remarkably comfortable to recline for extended periods of therapeutic relaxation. Unlike narrower tubs that force your shoulders inward, the generous 70-gallon water capacity and expansive 36-inch frame mean you never feel hemmed in, restricted, or confined, providing a wide-open, uncrowded bathing environment that feels genuinely decadent. Furthermore, the linear integral waist and overflow assembly give it a remarkably clean, minimalist aesthetic finish that looks polished and professional from every single viewing angle in the room. Despite these incredible high-end design notes and initial impressions, our rigorous testing also uncovered heavy structural and financial downbacks that hold this tub back from climbing any higher on our list. At a massive 36 inches wide and tipping the scales at well over 200 pounds before a single drop of water is even added, its sheer physical bulk makes transportation, stair navigation, and precise floor positioning a brutal, multi-person ordeal that can easily damage surrounding door frames or new tile if you aren't exceptionally careful. 4. FerdY Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub. Sculpted expertly from premium Lucite acrylic and structurally supported by an internal heavy-duty stainless steel frame, this tub strikes an ideal, harmonious balance between lightweight handling during the installation process and rigid, long-term structural durability that successfully resists warping, cracking, or flexing over years of heavy daily use. From the moment you unbox it, you notice the clean, flowing curves and seamless joint construction that give it an air of sophisticated modernity without being overly pretentious or difficult to integrate into a standard master bathroom layout. Putting the FerdY through its rigorous paces in our testing environment revealed a surprisingly cozy, thermally efficient bathing space that caters exceptionally well to hectic daily routines. The 15-inch effective soaking depth pairs seamlessly with an integrated, highly efficient slotted overflow system, allowing you to fill the tub slightly higher than standard round overflow models without ever risking messy, accidental water spills on your bathroom floor. Furthermore, the multi-layered acrylic insulation worked remarkably well during my testing sessions, actively trapping thermal energy and keeping the water warm, inviting, and comfortable long after the initial fill cycle had finished and the surrounding room air began to cool down. You can sink into a long, uninterrupted evening soak without constantly needing to turn on the faucet to top off the temperature. Maintenance and upkeep proved to be refreshingly straightforward and hassle-free thanks to the non-porous, highly stain-resistant surface composition. Soap residue, mineral deposits, and daily water spots wiped away effortlessly with a damp microfiber sponge and mild cleaner, sparing you from harsh scrubbing sessions. 3. Decors Isaac 58 inches Freestanding Slipper Bathtub. Designed specifically for modern homeowners who desire the dramatic, high-end architectural flair of a traditional classic slipper tub, but simply do not possess the expansive square footage required for massive 72-inch models. The Isaac packs a massive aesthetic punch into a compact, highly optimized 58-inch footprint. Crafted meticulously from brilliant white high-gloss acrylic, it possesses an exceptional resistance to fading, yellowing, and stubborn staining, ensuring that it maintains its pristine, showroom-quality radiance even after years of continuous exposure to harsh bathroom humidity and direct sunlight. During my comprehensive, hands-on evaluation sessions, the Isaac proved definitively and wonderfully that smaller physical dimensions do not have to translate into compromised bather comfort. The gracefully contoured high-backed slipper design naturally cradles and supports your neck, shoulders, and head, allowing you to lean completely back and unwind entirely from the accumulated physical and mental stresses of a long workday. Holding up to 51.25 gallons of water, the basin fills up surprisingly fast and reaches its optimal soaking depth in record time, which is an incredible stress-saving convenience when you want to dive into a spontaneous, relaxing bath without enduring a lengthy, frustrating wait. The underlying structural integrity feels remarkably rock-solid, stable, and reassuring once properly installed on the subfloor, aided significantly by hidden, self-leveling feet that anchor the tub firmly and eliminate any potential wobbling. Furthermore, the gorgeous satin nickel drain and overflow hardware add a subtle, understated touch of modern luxury, seamlessly complementing both contemporary minimalist and traditional farmhouse bathroom design aesthetics alike. 2. Empava 67-inch acrylic freestanding soaking tub. Featuring a sophisticated, streamlined, double-walled, reinforced architectural design, this tub is meticulously engineered to maximize internal thermal insulation, effectively trapping heat and keeping your bathwater at your preferred steaming temperature for hours of uninterrupted, blissful soaking without ever requiring constant, annoying hot water top-offs. The sweeping, organic exterior lines catch the natural light from your windows, creating an instant focal point that elevates the aesthetic value of your home design instantly and sets a standard of modern luxury that is hard to ignore. Testing the Empava 67-inch in our evaluation lab was an absolute delight from start to finish, revealing a level of thoughtful interior craftsmanship that rivals tubs twice its price. The generous 56-gallon water capacity paired with an optimized 15-inch deep immersion depth provides a deeply immersive bathing experience that completely submerses your upper body, neck, and shoulders in soothing warmth, driving away accumulated muscle tension instantly. The ergonomically sculpted, sloping backrest cradles your spine securely at the ideal anatomical angle, while the ultra-smooth, non-porous interior surface feels wonderfully gentle, silky, and inviting against the skin. Furthermore, its versatile freestanding flat-bottom configuration makes it universally compatible with floor-mounted tub fillers, sleek wall-mounted spouts, or robust deck-mounted hardware, giving you total, unconstrained creative freedom over your custom bathroom layout design. Moving beyond aesthetics and comfort, the overall practical installation process is significantly streamlined and simplified thanks to the thoughtfully engineered, easily adjustable leveling legs and pre-installed polished chrome overflow and drain hardware assemblies that come safely tucked right inside the box. 1. Woodbridge 67-inch acrylic freestanding bathtub. Fabricated meticulously from 100% premium high-gloss white Lucite acrylic and reinforced heavily beneath the surface with high-grade Ashland resin and thick structural fiberglass layers. This tub is engineered to last a lifetime while easily supporting up to a staggering 1,000 pounds of total weight safely without a single hint of bowing, flexing, or structural instability. It represents the gold standard of modern manufacturing excellence in home plumbing fixtures. Putting the Woodbridge through its rigorous, final extended testing phase revealed an absolute masterclass in bather comfort, ergonomic design, and precision engineering. The gentle, organic sloping lines follow the natural anatomical curves of your body to absolute perfection, offering unmatched lumbar and back support that melts away daily muscle fatigue the second you recline. Moreover, the ASTM standard slip-resistant texture bottom provides secure, reliable traction underfoot without ever feeling abrasive or rough against sensitive skin, guaranteeing absolute safety when stepping in and out of soapy, slippery water after a long soak. Thermal performance is simply peerless in this class. The advanced double-walled insulated cavity traps thermal energy efficiently, keeping your bathwater warm far longer than conventional single-wall acrylic tubs and allowing you to lose track of time for hours without losing heat. As an incredible bonus, the manufacturer includes a high-end, solid brass brushed nickel pop-up drain and a matching stainless steel overflow assembly right in the box, sparing you the headache and extra expense of sourcing compatible hardware separately. Maintenance is wonderfully effortless, requiring only a quick wipe down to keep that stunning, mirror-like finish gleaming brightly year after year.